जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।
Good morning all. We have gathered here for one round of group discussion. I'll be giving you a topic and subsequent options in it. So you have to favor one option and speak for next 15 to 20 minutes. Please listen to the topic very carefully. The topic goes like this. Every year there is lot of debate in prioritizing the expenditure in union budget. Which of these should be given the highest priority? A. Defense. B. Education. C. R&D. I would again repeat the topic. Every year there is lot of debate in prioritizing the expenditure in union budget. Which of these should be given the highest priority? A. Defense. B. Education. C. R&D.
Gentlemen, I am of the opinion that education should be prioritized in the union budget, as education is a basic factor to improve a developing country to a developed nation, and even it brings employment in the country, which is very beneficial for our country.
I support the idea of just number 40. I will also, in my opinion, I will also go with the option number B, which is education. Prioritizing education as the first.
Gentlemen, as per me, the research and development is the most important sector where the government need to spend more, because if we focus more on the research and the development, it will definitely benefit our to create more startups and MNCs, and that will ultimately help in creating more employment, and that's how we can become a superpower in the world.
I agree with you,
But just number 18,
that education is the only weapon through which we can enhance our economy and also can develop our country.
with the help of research and development, the country after develop more
focus on the R&D. Firstly, I will precise
support the idea.
I totally support the idea of just number 40. Education is the basic need of our country. So if we educate the people, we can get the more number of good officers and more number of scientists. So we can do do good in both the sector as defense and research and development. So the education.
I partially agree with the chess number 24, but if we take the example of the world's most developed country like US, UK and other countries, then we can clearly see that they spend a lot on the research and development, and that's why their defense sector.
But their education system is also very good. Education is the basic need.
Higher than India, that is why they support research and development.
Research and development
Literacy rate matters, and
with the-
India cannot be compared to US in comparison of literacy rate.
I totally agree with chess number 40.
We have sufficient educated youth, but we do not have the sufficient institutions so that we can research and development more on the other sectors.
I agree with just number 18, but in my opinion, there are many families which can't afford their children to send them to school. So in my opinion, education should be given the first priority, and budget should be increased in the education sector.
I appreciate the opinion of just number 13, as education is the basic need to enhance the Indian employment and other sectors also. So introducing new.
I partially agree with the chess number 10, but we should also understand that the government is already funding a lot in the education sector, but we need more on the research and development. If we take the example of IITs and IIMs, there we need more funding so that we can found more and research more, so that our defense sector and other sectors can be boosted up.
The government has already done a work towards that and has increased the number of IITs from 13 to 20 and IIMs from 14 to 23. So they've already done the work in the research field and all. Education should be prioritized as it is a basic need, and without it one cannot think of research and development and developing the nation.
as we is told that the education is the basic needs of, for our developing country, because the people will not educated, then how can he know about the research and development? So my priority is to education is the first priority from my side.
So gentlemen,
Very well said, number 22. There are many students in India who wants to go to abroad for the further studies. So if we enhance and put more better colleges like Massachusetts and Stanford in India too, then the Indian students won't go and benefit the other nation like United States.
India, we can see clearly that a lot of the people go to the US, and the reason behind is clearly that they want to do more research, which in India they do not have the opportunity to do so, and that's why our great talented youth have to go to the US, and that's why we lost our
There is a
great
need
gems.
to
So that everyone can ultimately help us.
Our population is about 1.38 billion.
If we look at our ancient times,
That
we
our
have produced
population is
a
about
lot
1.38 billion. So
a
basic
number
need
of
of our
talented
population
people
is to
like
educate people.
Aryabhat.
If we educate people from the basic need, from the basics, we will get a good defense structures. We will get the good officers. We will get the good.
To improve, so education facility needs to
I
get
respect your point of just number 40. I would like to add some point on this that
we have to bought a lot of the things from the US and the Russia, like the missiles and the tanks.
But if
And
we
but
talk
today
about
have
taking
India is
200
also
I
so that they can produce that. That can ultimately help us.
But support the point of just number 40. We can see that ISRO is coming towards the top, but our literacy rate and our education is very low. So we have to boost it.
When Israel got independence from Palestinian, they first focus on the education sector, and now they have a very great research and defense center and very powerful defense in the
I
world.
totally
the
agree
points of
with
just
test
number 13
and
as-
India has already worked towards defense. If we talk about, if we take an example of AK-203 rifles, that it is being manufactured in Amethi, which is a great step towards defense. So I think education needs to be
Today is
improved.
I totally appreciate your point, and I would like to add something that India is coming on the top in the mean of defense, because we can see that the toppest defense armies of America on second position it is Russia, and on third position we are coming. So we need to work on education, because
Yes,
our
India is a
country
developing
need
country,
more
as
number
you
of
mentioned.
good
I
officers.
respect your point, just number 10. We see that a lot of the great leaders like the Sundar Pichai and the Satya Nadella, Bill Gates, all have said that if any country wants to develop, then they should focus more on the research and the development. We have sufficient education schemes, we have sufficient colleges, we have sufficient institutions, but we don't have sufficient money so that we can do more research, and that's why we have to go to foreign.
I agree with you, just number 18, but in my opinion, if we enhance the education sector, research and development will automatically enhance.
So gentlemen, as we say,
USA is a developing country and India is a developing country. It is gradually enhancing its status from lowest to basic. Today our Indians are with the comparison of Israel in exporting weapons and artilleries.
I agree with you, chess number 10, and even Indian Army stands at number 3 and Air Force is at number 4, so defense sector has already got
So
improved
just
a
number
lot.
40, that is because we buy a lot of the things from the foreign country, and if we have the sufficient research and the development money, we can create them on our own country, and that's how we can save a lot of the money which can be spent on the other sectors like the education sector and on the other economic
As the
sector.
test number 18 said that we have to develop. So if we want to develop, what we need education, because without education our mind will be not getting broad. So we need education firstly, then we will become a great scientist, then we can develop the new materials.
Literacy rate of our country is very low, and it need to be enhanced compared to the defense and research sector.
Also, it is very
Just number 25, add some points so that we can move the discussion forward.
As you all know that India is already spending so much of its expenditure on the union budget on the defense sector. Actually we need to first हमें पहले एजुकेशन के ऊपर फोकस करना चाहिए, क्योंकि यदि हमारे पास एजुकेशन होगी तो उसके बाद ही हम रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
I respect your judgment, but we have sufficient institutions. We have 23 IITs, we have 23 IIMs, we have also NITs, triple ITs. We have no any less institutions, but what we do not have is the money for the research and the development. That's what
I'm agree with you,
but that education is not good enough. Number 24, we see that in the world's top 100 universities, why India do not have the why the IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi is not in that 100 rank. The reason is clear that they don't have the sufficient research and the development.
So there is a need to introduce the education policies and new education.
Bangalore, which has already got a rank in those top 100 colleges among the world.
By educating our teachers and by building more infrastructure is not means to we are developing our country. So educating people is the more important.
Introducing good policies, education policies.
in
I said just number 20 want to say something. Let him
give the chance to just number 20. Just speak some.
So gentlemen, as we know that some equipments and some defense systems we are buying from other countries like Russia and Israel. So if we develop research and development sector, so we have.
But we are also exporting some of the very much artillery to other countries also. And from there we are getting taxes, and which is indirectly supporting the Indian economy and GDP growth.
I totally agree with this. Number 20. If we take the example of the ISRO Chandrayaan mission, then we create we go to the moon and with a very less money. So think if we have a money like funding like the NASA, then what can we create? What can we do? Think about that. That's why we need more research and development.
When we have no education system, how can we be a good astronaut and scientist, and how can we go there? In our youth,
More scientists and
I would also like to add a point that in India we focus on kind of learning based education and we do not understand the need for practical education. So first that should be enhanced, practical education should be enhanced so that the people's brain get ready for the research work. So I think education should be prioritized.
For the topic is which sector is more important.
So education sector have that kind of mind to go in the research field.
As the chess number 40 is saying, to modernize the education sector, we need money. So, through my opinion, I want to say that the priority should be the first priority should be given to the education.
Development. We create our own institutions like other countries. And that's how we can save a lot of money, which can be spent on the other sectors.
The number of infrastructure.
I agree with just number 18. As we and other scientists to go to NASA.
Let's give the chance 25
in India.
Gentlemen, I feel that just number 25 want to say something. Let's give him
जैसा
a
हम
chance.
जानते हैं हमारे यूनियन बजट के अंदर डिफेंस सेक्टर के ऊपर काफ़ी पैसा खर्च किया जा रहा है। सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा यूनियन बजट के अंदर डिफेंस सेक्टर के ऊपर ही दिया गया है। उसके बाद स्पेस रिसर्च के लिए दिया गया था। एजुकेशन अभी भी उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे आता है और हम जैसा अपने रूरल के अंदर देखते हैं, गाँव के अंदर जो स्टडीज़ फैसिलिटीज़ हैं वो इतनी प्रोवाइड नहीं करी जाती। यदि बच्चे जाते भी हैं तो टीचर्स पूरा कवर अप नहीं कर पाते। टीचर्स की अभी कमी है, अच्छे से बच्चों को अभी से एजुकेशन ही नहीं मिल पा रही है।
More on the research and development, we can create our own MIT, Stanford, NASA. We can create of our own country.
आज भी हमारे देश में
Gentlemen, as we
Gentlemen, as we told the chess number 25, he told that education is a basic need. Basic need. So I told that. So my point of view, अगर किसी पेड़ की अगर नींव अगर मजबूत हम करते हैं, अगर नींव या जड़ मजबूत करते हैं,
I completely appreciate the points of chess number 25. Gentlemen, today students are getting stressed and depressed. What is the why is it happening? It is because of the fault in our education system.
जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।